Today we're going to be having a look at these plain Christmas lights and what you can do to them to make them more interesting. So basically this video, although it includes Christmas lights, it's not technically about Christmas lights. It's how to make some novelty shotgun shell Christmas lights or decoration lights. This video is for the American viewers I have. I know I've got some of you out there. How you doing? So I have some spent shotgun cartridges. Yes, you can get these in the UK. I got these off eBay. I had no idea you could get them in a multitude of colours. We're doing these for decorative purposes. Now these are just a very plain set of generic clear lights. You don't have to use a clear set of lights like this. You can use a set of coloured lights. This I'm going to do another video on another day, but you can use coloured lights. It's just they're a little bit brighter when you use clear lights than coloured lights because there's a bit more diffusion on the go when you use the coloured ones, and then you're pretty much limited to the colour of the bulb and the colour of the shell. Although the white ones do show up the colours through, but again you can use the coloured ones, but I would use clear because they're just a little bit more brighter in my opinion. So to make these shells fit the lights do all the work for you. If you can get lights with bulb holders like this where they kind of taper in and they've got like an edge on them, these are the best ones. And we need to push the crimp back in. You can push down on it with a table, or you can get like a screwdriver, you can push the edges in. Again, this is not a quick project, it'll take a little bit of time and effort. Push as many as the crimps in as possible until you can get it to look like that. Then when you push the bulb holder in, they just kind of sit there loose. It takes that much effort to take it off, but again, the further you push them in, the better the effect will be at holding the bulbs in place. So for my American viewers who have, or English viewers who have a crimping tool, use it because it'll come in handy. So you basically got to do this on the shells, fold them back over, and then you can push the bulb right in, and the more it's folded in the better. And that's basically what you're doing. We've got to do this for however many bulbs are on this set. I think this might be a set of 50, so I've got to do 50 of them. There's some I started earlier, so I'll catch you in a little bit because I've got a little bit of work to do. Or I could just do this, and that's us done with the shells folding over. They do start trying to come back up again, but you can push them back over again when you put them on the bulb holders. This took about half an hour. Just sat there chilling, doing it. As for our set of 40 lights, got our bulb, got our shell, and you literally just shove it on like that. Doesn't have to go all the way in, but it ain't going anywhere. Now and again they might fall off. If you wanted to, you could hot glue them on, but again I think this would be more effective with a roll crimper. Folding them over will do the job pretty well. You might be able to make some kind of a tool using a bolt to help fold them over a bit more, but for what we need, this will do. There we go, that was the last one. There we have our Novelty shotgun shell lights. Again, if you can get the shells, they're easy enough to make. You don't need any special tools. I just used this electrical screwdriver to fold over the edges. Hope this comes in handy for you. 4th of July next week. Hope you enjoy yourselves, and nice little way to decorate the house. You could also use them at Christmas, you could use them at Halloween. I don't see any reason why you can't have them up in your man cave all year round. There you go, how to make Novelty shotgun shell Christmas lights. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will catch you on the next one.